That's nice now. Just enough ice. There's only one thing missing. The Pepsi.
Read the Pepsi. That comes, sir.
Wait.
Sir, anything else? We have bun and cheese, we have banana chips, Bigfoot. You're not drink liquor.
All of the aforementioned. Just put them in the bag for me.
Tony, get the bag when I work with me, my girl. Where you say, Jagan? Tell her what, like you one at each. Fix up the thing you really sweet, right? Yeah. So, General, you ask a question like, I'm the first man I see around here. Yeah. I will have bread too, you know, and we have farm fresh egg. And adding some the breakfast item, General. Yeah. Yeah. Toothpaste, toothbrush.
While you're busy packing the bag, let me introduce myself. I'm Clive Brown. I'm actually a health inspector.
Health inspector. So, sir, you know, so the place clean at the right timing, man.
Could you open the door so I can come around to do an inspection? While you're at it, maybe you can figure out how you're going to tell me what water you use to make this ice.
Straight from the springs.
Spring?
Yeah.
You have a spring around here?
No, I don't have a spring, but the ice is spring water, sir.
Spring water?
Yes, sir.
I hear you. I'll tell you what, open the door, let me come around and look.
Where?
So you have a close source of running water?
Yes, sir. Right around this one. Right around there, sir.
And you have... Oh, where's the nearest toilet?
Right around this, sir. You the one who's the toilet?
No, not right now. Not unless you piss me off. Hand sanitizer, food handler's permit. Yeah, one of those.
1 minute, sir.
Sir, what do you do?
Having fun. Showing you how to work on the cover. Are you taking notes? Good. Look and learn.
Yes.
Food and glass permit. Food-based sanitizer. I'm gonna tap it up tomorrow. This is the thing.
I've been looking and I'll give you guys a 5 out of 10.
5, sir? Sir, 5? No, sir. I have to do something for you. I have to tap it up. 5 out of 10?
Are you trying to influence an officer?
No, sir. No, sir.
So listen to me carefully now. I'm just kidding. You guys are fast. I will pass back another time. How much do I have for you for the peanut and the Pepsi?
So, sir, you know what I think you're something then?
That's also a joke. Put it on the bill. Next time I see you, make certain you have something better than that covering your head. Oh. In spite of the ice, it goes in back.
Bye.
Alright, I'm dito pa din. Ito yan. Mas may ko pa rin sa kanya kung mo kumla ng usap.
No reason. You're so fast.
Oo, will never see him back again.
I doubt that. What's up, Bartender?